Hey guys, this is Jam, jamonline.ph, and today we have here the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So yes, nandito kami ngayon sa Marriott Hotel along with Emma Tortales at my back of gadgetpilipinas.net, and nandito kami para sa local unpack launch ng Galaxy Note 9. So what's up with the Galaxy Note 9? Well, we do have a lot of features dito sa smartphone na to despite having a similar look ng Galaxy Note 8. So first of all, meron tayong Bluetooth S Pen. Yes, we now have a Bluetooth S Pen on the Galaxy Note 9. So what's up with the Bluetooth S Pen? Well, you can use the S Pen for presentations, gallery and everything, and also, here's the best part, for remote selfie. So as you can see, I'm gonna open the camera app, and I have here the button of the Samsung, the S Pen of the Galaxy Note 9, and by just pressing the button, it will take a selfie. Then double tap this one, it will take you to the other side of the camera. This one is really useful sa mga tao na, you know, they're taking selfies, they have a tripod, and you don't want to look fat since you're the one taking a selfie. You just want to place it on a tripod or place it on something, then take a selfie. This one is really cool and really awesome. And yes, up to 10 meters away ang pwede dito sa Bluetooth S Pen ng Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Not just that. So, the second best feature that I really like on the Galaxy Note 9 is the 4,000 mAh of battery. That's quite big, and because the smartphone is well, 6.4-inch Quad HD Infinity display, that's quite large for a smartphone. It is expected to manage 4,000 mAh of battery. Samsung is promising that the Galaxy Note 9 will have an all-day battery life. No issue with that. I love that feature. And of course, it will come with either 128 gigs of internal storage or a 512 gigs of internal storage, plus a micro SD card slot which is up to 1 terabyte. But sino sa inyo may 1 terabyte na micro SD card? Sagot! Eman, sagot.
Meron ako.
Mayaman si Eman. Thank you, gadgetpilipinas.net credits for that. Again, the smartphone does come with a large 6.4-inch Quad HD Infinity display, and yes, it does have the similar look of the Galaxy Note 8, and thankfully they didn't ditch the 3.5mm audio jack of the smartphone. We still have USB Type-C below, and of course the feel of the smartphone is very much similar to the Galaxy Note 8, but this one feels like boxy to me, pero still comfortable to the hand because of the curves at the back. I really like the curves at the back on all smartphones because it makes the smartphone more ergonomic compared sa mga flat yung sides, flat yung back and flat yung side. This one is still good and perfect for note taking. One of the best features of the Galaxy Note 9 is a dual aperture mode, and yes, we still have that feature in the Galaxy Note 9, and thankfully they brought another feature in the Galaxy Note 9, which is the scene detection. Basically, it works similarly to the AI detection, AI camera of other smartphone manufacturers that lets this Galaxy Note 9 detect your sceneries, and then after that it will give you the best settings when taking a photo. So if you're taking a photo of a face, it will give you the best portrait na settings for that. If you're taking a photo of a food, syempre bibigyan niya yung best colors for the food. And if you're taking a photo of a flower, well, it will give you the best and vivid colors of the flower. So basically, it helps you shoot better dito sa smartphone na to. And Samsung has also discussed to us na meron siyang digital assistant that helps you actually in taking photos. Example, you're taking too fast, you're taking a photo too fast, you're moving too fast, mga ganon. So basically, meron kang assistant with the Galaxy Note 9. Samsung has also upgraded Samsung DeX because we now have a different Samsung DeX port on this one. So Samsung now lets you use the smartphone even if nakadock ka dun sa Samsung DeX. And yes, you can use the smartphone as a touchpad for Samsung DeX, which is really cool, you know, for presentations, especially if you're a teacher or a student and you're just you don't have your laptop, you have the Galaxy Note 9. This one is really perfect. And of course, since we have the Bluetooth S Pen, you could actually use the S Pen for you know, changing the slides by just tapping yung button dun sa S Pen. We also have a better AR emoji on this one, which is now up to 54. So mas marami na siya compared to the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. And of course, aside doon, meron tayong mga Disney na AR emoji, which is really cool because I want to use the Mickey AR emoji dito, and I want to be Mickey Mouse, though I can't voice myself as Mickey Mouse. The Samsung Galaxy Note 9 will come in midnight black, ocean blue, and metallic copper. And of course, it will come in either 128 gig or 512 gig. But in the 512 gig na variant, it will come with an ocean blue and a pearl yellow na color. So, iba yung colors mo kung with the 512 gig. And yes, it will be more expensive. And as of this recording, wala pa po tayong presyo ng Galaxy Note 9 sa Pilipinas. But hopefully, we'll get to know more about the smartphone later today. So I guess that's it for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. The Galaxy Note 9 is the latest flagship smartphone from Samsung. We'll get to know more about the smartphone after the unpack launch mamaya as of this recording kasi we're taking this video before the unpack launch at New York, and yes, we're excited for this one. So once again, I am Jam of jamonline.ph, and I want to thank Emma Tortalesa for taking care of my camera. I'm sorry for bumping the camera, also Gian. Anyway, so again, I'm Jam of jamonline.ph, and thanks for watching our video. So see you guys again sa susunod.